Uh, I use the eclectic approach. Everything, for a person, sometimes we need seed therapy, sometimes you need color therapy, sometimes you need magnet and needles also. It is a combination of everything. Like when you see a patient or when you see a person, you will be able to gauge what he needs.
So you can find my heart, my liver, my kidney, my lung, everything in my hand.
Yes.
Palm.
The meridians,
The meridians. And the connecting points.
connecting points.
So if I'm touching somewhere here randomly, so some point of my inside my body is getting activated.
That is again a reflexology. I see lots of people now they choose the points, which point is where, which is the point I activate.
So this is mindful cosmetic change. That is interesting.
So how important they say no that like health is in your hands. It's real one. It's not literally. It is your health is in your hands. Each organ vibrates with a certain color because it has that energy setting there.
Welcome back to the next segment with Healer Sangeeta. So, in the last segment, we spoke about TCM, understanding the basics of it. And this segment, we will talk about the various modalities or the healing approaches that you take, like sujok, magnets, seeds, like methi is plastered or on your different part of your body and thing. So, you also use color therapy, but for all these things, psychotherapist that you are helps. So, in this segment, let's understand what are the different things that you use to heal a person.
I use the eclectic approach. Everything, for a person, sometimes we need seed therapy, sometimes you need color therapy, sometimes you need magnet and needles also.
You also practice auricular.
Yes, auricular also.
Mm-hmm.
So it is a combination of everything. Like when you see a patient or when you see a person, you will be able to gauge what he needs that particular time.
Okay.
And like how I told you earlier, that some points are not accessible on the body. So we use sujok points in combination with the meridians which we treat on the body.
Okay.
And sometimes sujok is a standalone therapy also.
So sujok is something which you use only on the
Hands and
the
foot.
feet.
Su and jok. Okay.
Okay.
It was developed by a Korean professor called Park Jae-woo. With specific points on the hand and foot which mirror your body parts. Entire body meridian.
Okay. So you can find my heart, my liver, my kidney,
Yeah.
my lung, everything in my hand.
Yes. The
Palm.
meridians.
The meridians.
And
the connecting points.
Connecting points.
So
and
if
also
I'm
it is
touching somewhere here randomly, so some point of my inside my body is getting activated.
that is again a reflexology. It's again, it branches into many ways. Like sujok, the first stage of sujok is on the correspondence. See, like how you said, the whole body. See, we consider this as the face.
Thumb.
Thumb is the face. This is the neck.
Oh.
Okay. And these are your, this is your hand and this is your foot. Okay.
Okay.
And here, this is your, what happens is this is your lung, heart. See, like you go down, you have this, right?
Okay.
Fine. This is the correspondence. Certain things we treat here very successfully. Okay. Say, for example, you have a cold. Fine.
Okay.
What you can do is, what is the modality in home therapy we use for cold?
Pepper rasam.
Pepper rasam. Fine. And anything else?
Turmeric.
Ginger.
Yes.
Tulsi.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So this is the lungs. Fine. So you put crushed pepper and put a micropore tape, that is the adhesive tape, and you feel well in the morning. That lung, yeah.
Interesting.
Yes.
It looks like magic.
Yes, it works like a magic. That is the correspondence, way of treating in the sujok system.
Okay. So sujok, there is no pin involved. Sorry, there is no needle involved.
You need not use the needle.
So sujok doesn't need needles.
It does needles it does need needles
Mm.
in case if I want to. But for the correspondence level of treatment, you don't need needles. You don't
Okay.
need. You can do it with color. You can do it with seeds.
Okay.
Can do it with seeds basically.
What do you
Whatever
mean by seed therapy?
seed therapy is the seeds which we have.
Like seed matlab this dhania. Is
uh,
it that a seed? That is a seed.
that's a seed. Anything which germinates, right?
Anything
Which
that
has a
germinates.
inherent life energy
Property
in
of
it.
that particular plant.
Yeah.
So
See,
you choose seed. I can't put any seed or a plastic button or a small thing.
no.
You can't.
It is the life within it. Right?
Also, the energy
Yes,
communication happens
transfers.
between.
Correct.
If I put a
Methi.
crushed methi or a crushed
No,
pepper,
that is to dry your lungs.
dry your
that's
lungs
thing.
here. Okay.
But if I want to treat you for some other things,
Thing.
like the same meridians points,
Mm.
I can use treat it with the seeds because the seed has that life energy.
Mm, mm.
Okay, prana is there because it germinates.
Yes.
That you put onto the place where you have specific meridian points. Just
Oh.
tape it.
Interesting. I
works.
was just thinking all you need was a bump, and hence even anything can be replaced. So you have a specific seed for specific points.
It works better that way.
It works better.
Better that way.
So a place where a methi would be chosen, or some place you would choose maybe a green gram dal, which also germinates.
Yes.
So depends. So seed therapy is not random. You can't put some seed in some point.
You can put, but it works in a better way if it is
Connected.
related and connected to the organ or the tissues.
Very
that way.
interesting. Seed therapy is a very
Yeah, very interesting.
and it's all about the activating, or we get the energy from that little seed.
Yes.
How
Little
we
seed.
extract and use it to
Correct.
heal ourselves.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Say for example, many people use the kidney beans.
Mm.
They're shaped in the
Yes.
kidney, shaped like kidneys. So you have any kidney issues. This is again the backside.
Backside of the palm.
So you put seeds, the kidney beans, and plaster it.
Huh.
So many, some of the problems do disappear.
Wow.
That is the.
Is this all documented, researched?
I don't know whether it is. It is researched, but I don't know how much.
It's documented and
Yes,
peer-reviewed papers. We don't know
I
about
don't
that.
know about that.
Okay, but in your experience, you have
Yes.
seen benefits
Yes.
after putting a kidney bean or a methi in
Yeah,
different places.
definitely.
Okay.
And some of the points when we have to have a a ring of seeds. Say if you have a knee pain,
Okay.
okay, then I use this as my leg,
Huh.
and this is the knee joint.
Ah.
I put a methi strip
Okay.
with
Okay.
a strip made with the methi seeds,
Seeds.
and then it resolves the pain, knee pain. Yeah.
Wow, that is
That
quantum we are
wonderful.
talking.
And this is something which you
There
can
is a
do at
knee
home.
pain and you're putting a
Yeah.
chain of
Yeah.
methi and it resolves.
Yes.
But is it temporary or is it going to be permanent?
See, certain problems are temporary. Like 1 or 2 days, you get a knee pain that
Goes
disappears.
away.
But if it has something underlying,
Uh-huh.
then you might need a treatment.
Then there are so many people, aging people, who
Correct.
have that arthritis.
Mm.
So are you saying that all these things can be treated with?
Temporary relief they can get.
Yeah,
Maybe-
even
yes.
temporary relief is
Yes,
great thing, no?
yes,
Me,
yes.
because
Ah.
if you can't walk from one place to the another, even to go to the toilet, people struggle.
Yes.
So if this can give that temporary thing,
Correct.
but larger sittings with a proper
Yeah,
therapist can also.
Yes. Say, for example, if you are not able to come to me for that particular day and you have a lot of knee pain, you can take for the help of this
seeds and-
methi patti, and then you can treat yourself.
Okay.
This works in a long distance way also. Many problems. Seed therapy, color
How
therapy.
does it work in the long distance? Reiki works, I have heard about it.
See, if you have seeds, which usually everyone has,
Everyone will
correct?
have in the
and you have
kitchen.
an adhesive tape,
Mm,
fine.
mm.
And you have some pain somewhere,
You call your
Which-
therapist,
yes, you can call that you are not able to come.
figure out.
So yeah, I tell you the points where the meridian specific points,
Mm.
and you can just paste it on it, and you get results with that.
Results.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm.
very nice,
Mm.
very nice. You also mentioned about the long distance therapy
Yes,
itself.
yes.
Which one of these things is going to, for example, I am in some part of Bangalore and you're in some part of Bangalore
Mm.
and I have a headache.
Mm.
Reiki also is used to do a long distance. They
Mm.
send energy and it
Mm.
heals.
Mm.
How does this kind of therapies work and how do you heal?
Because when there are specific points which alleviates the pain,
Mm,
correct?
mm,
So I put seeds on those points. I'll tell you, okay, in Google the points,
mm.
these points,
Okay.
fine, and you can put the points, or I show you
Well, get on a video call.
video call.
And if I have a terrible headache and I have a presentation to do,
Correct.
and I have only 10 minutes now
Mm.
to heal myself and go energetically.
Mm.
So I call you, and you on a call you will tell me
Yes,
whatever it
yes,
is,
yes.
and it heal. It
It
can heal.
heals. When you keep on pressing the point, because when the seed is there, you have a pressure also there.
Mhm.
That helps. And in such cases, what we use is also Biol magnets.
Okay.
Biol magnets are the ones which have a dual polarity,
Okay.
like South Pole and North Pole.
Mm.
As you know, we have, electromagnetic field in our body also.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, yes.
So when you put the magnet, like
Mm.
if the body needs less energy,
Mm.
there is a polarity required. Okay,
Okay.
if the body needs more energy, there is another polarity, that South and North Pole. We choose that
Oh.
according to your
Need at that time.
need at that point of time, and like put it in such a way the yellow comes up, yellow
Okay.
top comes up,
Ah.
or put it in such a way the white top comes up.
So that yellow and white is the indication of the poles,
The poles,
south and north.
yes, poles,
Okay.
and how they tonify or sedate your
Energy,
energy.
optimize it basically.
Yeah, for that point of time, which is causing that, your
So
headache.
instead of popping a 650 or a Dolo 650 or a painkiller or something,
Correct.
these are the things which can be done without
Yes.
impacting.
Yes, even the menstrual cramps.
Ah.
There are certain points, there are certain places where we put the magnets, the Biol magnets.
Mhm.
That was, even the seeds help. If you have a pain which is like not able to control, we have this energy
Mm.
regulating method with the magnets, the Biol magnets. They work wonders.
Okay, and how big are these magnets?
They're they come in sizes. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Different sizes for
different
different type
sizes.
of healing.
Like if you have to do it on a finger, then you need a small one.
Okay.
If you're going to put it on a body, maybe you need a little bigger one, like a gram seed.
Okay,
that
okay.
kind.
Oh,
So
okay.
there are different sizes also.
You also use color therapy.
Yes.
How color? I know the branding ways blue gives confidence and trust is there. Yes, but how are you using it for a therapy and to heal?
As you know that every color has an energy.
Yes,
Correct?
yes, and a
And
frequency also,
frequency,
right?
with which it vibrates
Huh.
with certain organs.
Hmm.
Okay, each organ vibrates with a certain color
Okay.
because it has that energy setting there. Fine.
Okay.
So let's just take one example of Earth. Earth is the an element.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
and Earth element is related to spleen and stomach.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that has the power of manifesting with yellow color.
Yellow. Okay.
Yellow. Okay, if we have to tone the color,
Uh-huh.
yellow. So like you put yellow on certain points where it needs to be tonified, that the energy needs to be more, then it will be yellow.
Okay.
And if I need to decrease the energy, then I'll have to use the controller color, the controlling element, which is the controlling element of the earth in the 5 element. That again is a little deeper one. Yeah, but if you use that theory, it works.
Okay. So, for example, if I have a headache, then what color do you think?
So, a headache, for what reason you are getting? If it's a normal headache, is it a normal headache or is it a tension headache? Or are you getting the headache because of your, stomach upset?
Color changes?
Yeah, then the
organs colors will change.
Correct.
Okay.
Which organ is responsible in that way.
What are the other therapies? Auricular is one thing which
see, the auricular is, it's you can say it is a micro mapping of your body, right?
Ear.
Yeah,
Auricular
ear,
is ear
ear,
therapy.
ear.
It's anything that is done on your ear.
Ear.
Okay.
So the whole body is micro mapped on your ear.
Ear. Okay.
Okay. So now you think if the
You said hand is micromapped.
yes,
Kind.
yes,
And your feet is micromapped.
yes,
And now you're saying ear.
ear is yes,
Okay.
micro map.
Explain, please.
So what happens is, see, when the baby is in a womb, it is in the reverse position. So you can see that when you see your ear,
Uh,
it like the head is here
uh,
and the legs and everything go here.
uh,
Fine.
uh,
So you have all the parts,
uh.
all the parts of the body, organs located on your outer ear.
Wow.
Okay. You have any small organ problem, like maybe you have a stomach pain or something. I can just tape a seed. It is made up of, like it's from a herb called Vaccaria seeds. That we can just tape on that, stomach portion.
Okay. Okay.
And that helps.
Which part of globe is auricular therapy part of? And when did this come to India?
It has been there
Or is it
under
part
the
of TCM?
yeah, it is under TCM only.
Oh,
it comes
okay.
that. But I would say that I think we also had that because we have this ear piercing, right?
Right.
See, when you invert a baby here, the head comes here, right?
Correct. Yes.
You need the brain to be sharp. So they used to do that,
That is why piercing
yes,
is done.
yes. And, the eye part comes here, the sharpness.
But
the
nowadays
brain.
people are pricking 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is again auricular therapy.
But again, you're poking into that organ. Literally, you're poking 2, 3 for cosmetic to wear your studs.
But indirectly you're stimulating your.
You're stimulating. Is it
Again.
harmless?
No, it is harmless. It's harmless.
You're sure how many
Yes.
ever pins I put,
Yeah.
it will not harm my health in any way.
No.
Oh, this will be a very good news for people who are just pricking everywhere in
Yes.
her.
And I see lots of people now prick. They choose the points. Which point is where? Which is
to
the point
activate.
I activate.
So this is mindful
yeah, mindful.
cosmetic change. That is interesting.
Yeah.
Actually, it's good going to the therapist who understands auricular and then get those points marked
Correct.
and getting it will help the system while
Yes.
it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And in old days also in our rural thing, they used to have this lot of things. So those were also very scientific.
Yes, very scientific. Very scientific.
This is the place they used to.
Yeah, they used to have here that. And this is one, like we call it as a allergy point or a heat point, like it by pricking that, the heat comes out. It's a very, like interesting and important point also.
Wow, to understand this body itself is going to be such amazing. We should probably have a session separately to know which point. Of course, Google has everything. It would be nice if we can have a session.
Yes.
Interesting.
Like, so how important they say, that like health is in your hands. It's real one. It's not literally. It is your health is in your hands.
About the tongue, you said that you also check the tongue.
Yes.
What do you do with the?
Yeah, there is a diagnosis with tongue also because all the organs are mapped on your tongue.
Hand, feet, ear, no tongue.
Tongue.
Okay.
Because that point, what your tongue shows will be exactly what you are feeling. What you undergo. See,
but tongue, what I eat was just gets thing onto my tongue, right?
Like maybe you have like teeth marks on the tongue, sides, and sometimes you have redness in the middle of it. It all indicates which organ is affected, which organ is like what is happening inside.
In old days, good old days, doctors used to just see the pulse, and then modern doctors, I mean allopathic doctors also, then they'll ask you to put your tongue out. So this is what they were checking.
Yes.
But
I
today
think olden days.
Those days doctor. Today they don't do that.
Yeah. And even if they do it in allopathy, they do see whether you have an anemia or something, when you have a pale tongue or something like that, but not organ related like how would you do it in TCM.
Okay. What would you like to add on to other therapies that you use? What are the things and why do you and how do you combine?
Sometimes what happens is to get a better result in a shorter period of time, we can use all these therapies in a, like
In a combination.
combination. Yeah.
Okay.
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 And usually what we do is when we use the needles or anything, we do use the ear
Mhm.
to put those seeds. So, like they can stay with that at home. That
Uh-huh.
need not be removed or something for a couple of days. It keeps, it creates pressure on you. Like, you can activate it once in a way by pressing it.
Okay.
So that is activated also. Hmm.
Very,
And
very
yeah,
nice.
and sometimes, as I said, not able to access certain points or stand alone, like
Mm.
you're scared, you don't want the needles on your hand,
Mm.
you just want only the color therapy or the magnet therapy, seed therapy. I can use your hands, right?
Okay. Can you, okay, maybe we can do this in the next session where you can tell us the points on our hands or anything that can be safely done at home without me calling a therapist or knowing, which will be
Yes.
very safe for very common ailments like small uncomfortness or discomfortness, which is like headache or a neck stiffness or a shoulder pain or something like that. We can probably discuss the DIY safe methods that can be done at
And
home.
usually they are all safe because there is nothing invasive, right? Like you do
Yes.
it only the seeds, the colors and everything. Colors, of course, you need to know the basics of it when you use the colors, of course. But the seeds are like, you can use it. You will get
Seeds
the
can-
pressure points and everything. Yeah.
But for that, I need to know my pressure point. It's like, can I
Yes.
depend on a Google repository where I can find these points? Will those be correct? Or is there anything that you recommend? Because I think after this conversation, 3 segments we've done, I think every human should know their
Yes,
meridians
yes.
in their ear or in
Yes, yeah.
their feet or in their hands.
Correct.
If they get to know this, almost the first aid can be done then and there.
Yes. As I told you, the Sujok correspondence system, it's something very simpler. Everyone can, learn it. And
I wish this was all covered in the school syllabus itself.
yes. It's a DIYs which you need to know. You can help yourself and you can treat yourself with something like a first aid, right?
Okay, tell me one thing. A person is happy and I go press something in there and will they can also be sad? Is that also ulta possible? Can I make somebody sad by pressing somewhere?
See, when you're activating it, if you know the point, I don't think this
See,
happens.
this
No,
is
I
not
don't think
our
this-
Varma Thalai or something, no?
Marmachi could say something. Yes,
yeah,
yes.
in Kerala they use it to touch a point where they can the entire thing they can actually it was a martial art which they used the awareness of these points is where they used it
To activate.
and also make the opponent fall.
Hmm.
So I see that while you're saying it harmless, but if a person is really expert, they can also use it differently, is what my question is.
I think that needs to be done on body. I don't think that can be done on the hand and then manipulated. Right?
Okay.
Maybe the body points if the person is very much aware, like what
Yeah.
intensity and how
Yes.
much of pressure
Correct.
could be.
If this all can be done, yes, that is what it is. Intensity, pressure, the speed,
Yeah.
and at the right point,
Right
tuning
point.
things. But here we are doing everything gently and a seat
Yes,
press and other thing
yes.
cannot cause.
Cannot
And I
cause.
can't change, I can't learn these points and manipulate a person for
No,
negativity.
no,
That is not possible
Not
because with
possible.
that pressure, you can't change it into a low vibe.
Yes. It's only, you're activating all your parts, body parts here. Not, the energy points or something, where you can manipulate.
Yeah, that is what my worry was because when you're saying it is my meridian and you can impact it positively, but I was just thinking, is it also possible to impact it negatively also? If today's world anything is possible and if I want to make a person sick, can this be utilized is what I was just checking if it is possible.
I don't think so. Here we are clearing the energies. We are just trying to balance the energies, not the, we are not.
Is it also possible to block the energy using these methods?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't think so. Because all the energy points are to activate more of it, like in a positive way.
In a positive
In a
way.
positive way, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Because always it is the well-being is the result of everything.
I know. If viewers also who are watching this, if you have such questions, or if you have some solutions, or as it can be used negatively, positively, it can be manipulated, please drop a comment. That will be really helpful. So we'll move on to the next very interesting segment, which is DIY. People, please watch this. This might be a great first aid. And this is for lot many common problems and common ailments that we face day to day,
Yeah.
like what you said, constipation and things like that. So in the next segment, let's discuss that. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.